In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Qatar Airways ticket in just a few minutes, so you can adjust your travel plans without any extra hassle. First, open your browser and go to qatarairways.com. Click on Manage Booking at the top of the homepage. This is where you'll find all the tools to modify, update, or cancel your existing reservations easily. Next, enter your booking reference, also called the PNR, along with your last name. Click Retrieve Booking, and your full reservation details will appear instantly on the screen with all your flight and passenger info. Now, look for the Cancel Flight or Refund Request option. Click it, and Qatar Airways will guide you through the cancellation process, showing you any fees or refund amounts based on your fare type and timing. After that, review the cancellation details carefully. Depending on your ticket conditions, you might receive a full refund, a partial refund, or a travel credit. Make sure you understand the terms before confirming the cancellation. Once you've reviewed everything, click Confirm Cancellation. You'll receive a confirmation email with all the details, and any eligible refund will be processed back to your original payment method within a few business days. And that's it. Your Qatar Airways ticket is now canceled, and your refund is on its way back to you smoothly.